I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the Showerhead store and Hammerhead Showers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a shutoff valve. This is actually called technically a trickle valve, because what it does is when you push this button, it reduces the flow from your standard flow rate, which is probably somewhere between 1.75 and 2.5 gallons per minute and 0.05 gallons per minute. So it just lets through a small trickle, a drop, but it'll save you a ton of water while you're lathering up or doing something else. Why do they let a little bit of flow through? Well, it's plumbing code. Turns out, by way of plumbing code, some water needs to come through so that the person using the shower knows the shower is still on at the valve, and they don't just shut it off here, get out of the shower, and leave all this pressure coming through and potentially cause a leak in their house. That's why it is called a trickle valve, but it's very easy to install. Just little screened washer that goes right in there. Just unscrew the shower head. And we'll screw on the little valve there, and then the hose. Now you could install this onto a fixed shower head just like that. Same thing applies, and it would just go in between the pipe and the shower head. Alright, so there you have it. Doesn't affect how it mounts, because the hose is what mounts into this holder. And then go ahead and check for leaks and show you how it works. So I'll run some water through it. So you can see there's the flow, and when I push the button through, it's just going to come out little tiny trickle. Okay, that's it. Push the button back. So with just a small part like this, you can save a ton of water if you happen to find yourself wanting to just lather up without any water spraying you. You like the temperature setting that you have. You don't want to shut off the whole valve. You can just shut it off from right there. And there you have it. I'm Justin Ball, the showerhead guy, signing out for now.